Hey YouTube, it's SJ and we're going to look at the women's Air Jordan Season of Her Retro on my feet right about now. Hey YouTube, SJ back. Hope you enjoyed that on feet. So, what do we think, guys? What do we think? Are we giving them the thumbs up or the thumbs down, or are we still unsure? Just to point out a couple of things that I didn't talk about in the unboxing, which you can probably watch if you haven't watched it, somewhere around here, somewhere, okay? So what we didn't point out is they came laced. They came laced, Mr. B, on sneaker cam. Jordans never seem to arrive laced, which always is quite annoying. So no, yeah, they were laced. And another thing I didn't show, you probably, I don't know if sneaker cam is picking these up, but they've got on the lace caps, it's a metal pink. This isn't red. I know they're called Red Silt, but let's face it, these are ballerina pink. They really are, they really are. And also, something else I didn't point out, which you can't actually see, so I'm not even gonna try. Maybe camera 2 can see, maybe. But it says you have the Jordan Jumpman inside and you've got Jordan RS, because these are part of the Season of Her, which I think I mentioned right back at the beginning, and I mentioned that in my unboxing as well. So what do we think? I'm still in two minds about whether to keep these or not. Mr. B has basically said that I should. He's actually quite liking them now. Is that right, Mr. B? Yeah? So I don't know, I'm still not 100% sure. They are really nice on the feet though. I just don't know whether they're too pink for me. That's just it, I'm just not sure on the pink. But they are a super nice shoe. I mean, the Jordan for women in this shape, it's just really, really nice. You know, the bright pink are still, the coral are still really calling me, but I'm gonna have to make my mind up in like the next 24 hours as to whether I'm gonna keep or send them back, but we will see, we will see. So stuffers, have you decided yet? After the on foot, keep, return, keep, return. Camera 2, keep, return, keep, return. What do we think? What do we think? They are really nice though, and I mean, as I said, the suede is super, super nice. It is proper premium suede, and the same with the satin. Nike have done a really good job of these. It's just me, you know, it's me. But, yes, I know I make silly noises. What do we think? Yeah, I know. I can't help it, I can't help it. One other thing, before I wrap this one up, another thing I didn't mention is that the suede here on the tongue is really, really nice as well. And inside, pretty much all behind the tongue and all around the heel, which is really, really padded, is all satin as well. And the sizing, these are a UK 6, they're really true to size. In fact, as I said in my unboxing, it's been a long time since I've had a pair of Jordans, and these feel really quite flat on the feet, which is a little bit unusual for me compared to some of my other trainers, but I like them. I do like them. I'm just still not sure. But anyway, I will make my mind up. I will. The baby's crying. So YouTube, you know what? If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, which is probably down here somewhere. Give us the old thumbs up, and also, if you're on Instagram, come on over to Instagram. We're putting up lots and lots and lots of images of our lovely archive. So be sure to check us out. We are Pint of Stuff, obviously. But yeah, leave us your comments on these. And don't forget to join us on Sundays for streaming Sundays, sneaker streaming Sundays. It just rolls off the tongue. 8 p.m. GMT, 12 p.m. Pacific time, and 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Hello there, East Coast. Anyway, I'm going to go and ponder these some more. Jeez, it's complicated, the sneaker buying. It's complicated. Anyway, over and out, Pint of Stuff fans. See you soon. Bye.